What is IRS Notice CP2100 for RMD penalties? Imagine getting a letter from the IRS that could seem confusing or even alarming. That's what IRS Notice CP2100 is all about. It is not directly about penalties for not taking required minimum distributions from your retirement accounts. Instead, it's a notice sent to businesses and financial institutions that report payments to you. These reports are called information returns, like the Form 1099-R, which shows distributions from retirement accounts, including required minimum distributions. This notice is sent when the IRS finds mismatches between the taxpayer identification number and the name reported on these forms and what they have on file. For example, if your Social Security number or name doesn't match the IRS records, the IRS will send a CP2100 notice to the payer, which is usually your bank or financial institution. The payer then contacts the person or entity that received the distribution to correct the information. Now, if you are a senior who is required to take minimum distributions from your retirement accounts, it's important to understand that the CP2100 notice doesn't mean you have a penalty for not withdrawing enough money. It's about the accuracy of the reporting. If your financial institution reports your distribution with incorrect information, you might get a CP2100 notice. This can lead to backup withholding, where the payer withholds 24% of your future payments until the issue is fixed. It's also good to know that the IRS imposes a penalty if you do not take your required minimum distribution on time. That penalty is 50% of the amount you should have withdrawn but did not. But the CP2100 notice itself is not the penalty. It's a warning about reporting errors. If you receive a CP2100 notice, it's wise to respond quickly. Contact your financial institution to verify or update your Social Security number or other details. Keeping your information current helps avoid future notices and backup withholding. It also helps ensure your distributions are reported correctly. In summary, IRS Notice CP2100 is a report about mismatched taxpayer information on forms like the Form 1099-R. It does not directly relate to the penalty for missing your required minimum distributions. However, it can affect you indirectly by causing withholding or delays if your information isn't correct. Staying on top of your personal details and making sure you take your RMDs on time can help you avoid both reporting issues and penalties.